An HP Workstation is a high-performance computing device that's going to run all the time, very hard, and it's expected to function accurately, precisely, and consistently through its lifetime.
One of the things that sets workstations apart from normal PCs is they're designed to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week under heavy workload.
When you interact with somebody who's using workstations in a hospital environment or a government official who's controlling missiles, they can't go down.
We have customers in the oil and gas industry. Digital media and entertainment is another big one, whether it's commercial video editing or the latest and greatest Hollywood film blockbuster. We use Xeon class processors from Intel that give you up to 8 cores per processor. We also use professional 3D graphics from our partners like NVIDIA and AMD. All of our workstations have the ability to support multiple displays, even up to 8 displays. And then from a memory perspective, we use a high-performance ECC memory, so error correction code memory is to make sure that single-bit errors get actually corrected automatically on the fly. And then the ISV certification process is important to customers because it means that we've troubleshooted all the applications well before we start shipping any of our hardware.
You hit the depth up 3D button again.
The underlying thing that makes HP Workstation so special is that we've got a long legacy of being in this business. We've been in the workstation business for over 30 years, and nobody else in the industry can say that. The industry's moved to industry standard components, but we're able to bring together those industry standard components in such a way with our custom motherboards to wrap a layer of innovation around that really sets us apart.
One of my personal favorite things about HP Workstations is how easily serviceable they are. I can go into one of the systems that I personally use in my lab, swap out hard drives, and change graphics cards with no tools whatsoever and in seconds.
One of the things that makes us unique is that all of the rigorous testing that we do happens right here in Fort Collins, where we have our own 10-meter chamber, we have our own material analysis lab, we have our own shake and shock tables and bake ovens, and we make sure that they can perform well even under the most rigorous environments.
That looks pretty good. We're actually developing and creating the testing that we do to ensure quality and reliability. We're not just picking off-the-shelf tests that the whole industry does. We're using some very advanced tools of chemistry and physics that you typically don't see other companies actually using.
We've got a model shop. We can go in and create different system components to try to solve issues or even new features, mock those up and then share those with customers to get feedback.
One of the things that inspires me the most is the interactions that I actually have with our customers, finding out what they're actually doing with these computing devices. Whether it's making really entertaining movies, finding new sources of energy, or saving a patient's life.
When you give our customers who are pushing the edge of their industries the right tools and the right performance and the right experience, they can do what's never been done before.
One of my favorite things about working in the workstation division is that I get to use all of the scientific knowledge that I have to make the best possible system that we can.
Quality is a standard you could give up to make tomorrow's shipment, but we won't do that here.